Hi, this is Donna, and we are doing an unboxing of a different kind. I have a friend who has been trying to talk to me about joining up with Paparazzi jewelry and accessories, and I kind of put it off and put it off until I started to see her jewelry on her Facebook site, and I thought, holy cow, I think I want some of that. So I wanted to show you just a quick set. We're getting ready to, I ordered the starter kit, and this is what we're going to unbox. But this came in the mail. I like this little necklace, and this is a necklace. Everything's $5, okay? And they have earring and necklace sets, $5, guys, for this. And then I also ordered this kind of little ring here, which I would wear right here. But you can get different earrings and you can match sets. But isn't that stinking cute? Has these little earrings right here and this little ring. Isn't that adorable? And this would be $10 for all of this. So I thought jewelry goes out of style quickly. And so I thought, you know, this would be a quick, fun way to work with my granddaughter and maybe make a little extra cash. Anyway, let's get going. So let's unpack this baby. They've got this cute little bubble wrap, and a lot of people, if you are a dealer, you will want to save this because you can wrap things up if you're going to remail. So I'm going to set that off to the side. And if you can see behind me, and then let's see here, let's do this. Then they have it kind of boxed in. Wow. And then there are some bigger boxes, and I'm going to have to set some of this stuff on, well, maybe not. There's this big box. And let me show you what it looks like. It looks like that. When you open it up, it's got a magnetic closure to it. There's a bunch of different books inside. So let's go through the books. And I'll show you what they sent to me. I've got the party planner. Okay. A welcome packet. Flip that baby around. And what is in here? Okay, and then we have an empty box. Hang on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab a knife. You'll see my paparazzi boards in the background that I made. And if anybody has any questions about the sizes, let me know of the boards and how I put them together quickly, cheaply. You don't want to invest a lot into the paparazzi tools because you know it's $5 bling bling, guys. So let me set this knife over here. Keep it out of the way, and we have, when you open the box, we have this. It's like a little welcoming. What else is in here? Let's set that down there. They give you a car sticker. They give you a receipt book. And there's the car sticker. And then you get a party checklist. Oh, this is kind of interesting. Party checklist. You get a, I guess it's an order selects, blah, blah, blah. Everything you need to start a party. Here's a little bust to put jewelry on. These are handy dandy. Then they give you, what are these? I think these are the card numbers. So if you're having a live show, let's open that up. You can hold it up to the jewelry and say, what is that? It's a bling thing. Oh, these are just handout cards for people. And then there's a jewelry repair kit in case something breaks. And then you have invitations, thank you cards, little pamphlets that you can hand out during the show. And they give you some bags in this one box. all this over, and then we're going to get to the bling. Oh, I've been waiting for this forever. Because of all the COVID, everything's been delayed. And this is going to be a bear to get out of here. Hold on. I'll be right back. Just focus on the board, please. Because I've got to turn this upside down to get it out. Wow. Wow. The party store. Let's see, the party starts here, it says. Okay. We have, it says on the front, a thing for bling. Now we want to open this. And it's not, I don't think we can open on that side. Yes, here we go. I knew there was a way to slide that baby open. Oh my gosh. Look at all of this inside. Woo! Look at all of this inside of here. There should be, I think, 100 and, I don't even know. I bought the $2.99 box, so I'm not really sure, but there's over 100 pieces. Wow. Okay. This, I just wanted to kind of show you. They're individually wrapped. And then we have some boxes down here. In the boxes. These are the little pegs like I have here already. So that's good. I have some more of them. And let's dig down in here. I mean, we have some really, really cute little items here. It looks like, wow, they've given me like the little wrap bracelets, complete sets, the blockbusters. Look at this. This is a blockbuster bash. So I have a ton of it in here. We have large hoops in gold. We have sparkly gold hoops. Wow, this is like Christmas, you guys. Holy smokey. And if you think about this, I mean, it's going to take me a long time. Little coil bracelet. Wow, they really sent me some very cute little items. The green. I'll be digging through here. There's another box. And I think this is more pegs. Let's check and see. But I'm going to set up my board probably today. And then tomorrow, we're going to have tea time with Donna. And I'm going to show you my board with some of the jewelry displayed on it so you can see it. Anyway, my consulting number is, if you hit the button down below for the description of this video, you'll see my consulting number. Let's see here. Hang on. Can you freeze frame that for a moment? Okay, I wanted to get that number for you. My consulting number is 447-966. And if you click on my link down below, there'll be a link to go to my store. You can go in and shop, and everything in my little store is $5, ladies and gents. So this makes great gifts. Wow. I mean, we have all different types of things here. Just everything you can think of. So, I think I got 2 big packages of the blockbusters. I mean, look at that, $5. $5. $5. This one comes a complete set. Look at that cute little bracelet. $5. Just for the fun of it. Let's open it up and look at it. I like this orange. I think it's pretty. Just so you can see a piece of what it's like. So of course you have this one that I got. I just want to show you, if I can get the little tag. It's kind of wrapped around it. But if you can kind of focus on that one, you can see I mean, this is nice stuff. And this is, you know, of course you put it on your wrist. Okay. Isn't that stinking cute? It's stinking cute. $5. $5. So anyway, we're going to stop for right now. And please subscribe. And please go shopping in my store. And we will see you soon. Bye-bye.